You knocking it down, babe.
I did well future and it didn't do shit for me.
Oh!
Years ago
Rattle, rattle. Yee-hoo!
Everything that's close to it is a blood pressure medicine. It's called Clonidine.
Yeah, y'all done started without.
Yes, honey.
What's up with that shit?
Well, you were.
I was having fun.
I know, and I just.
Nobody's pulled that. I made it all the way to the other side and couldn't come out one time.
Really?
So I've never
One
tried
time?
to come in this side and make it back this way.
Watch that bumper there, buddy.